Welcome to Meadowsweet Farms Country Christmas Crafts 2024. This year, I'm going to take inspiration from all the beautiful illustrations done by Tasha Tudor. We'll take a look at some of her timeless recipes from her recipe book, and we'll make some of those delicious baked goods, and we'll also try our hand at some of her famous, well-known, very simple country Christmas crafts. So let's get started. Welcome to Meadowsweet Farm. This is a Tasha Tudor inspired Christmas craft addition to my channel. So I'd like to just share some really very simple, old-fashioned type traditional country crafts that may have been made year-round, or maybe they made them just during the Christmas festivities. So I have several of Tasha Tudor's books, and the one that I absolutely love, they're all my favorites, but this one, which is A Time to Keep, and this is the Tasha Tudor Book of Holidays, and it's just all of her illustrations as she saw, maybe as a little girl growing up, but her vision of what the Christmas holidays should be like. So for those of you who aren't familiar, I've known about Tasha since the early 90s. And for those of you who don't know, I'll just share a little bit from this book. It's called The Private World of Tasha Tudor, and it was written by Tasha and Richard Brown. From the time she was a little girl, Tasha had known exactly what she wanted: to live on a secluded farm where she could surround herself with a garden and a menagerie of household pets and barnyard animals, and to illustrate children's books. She succeeded famously at both. Now, this book was written before Tasha passed away, and I believe she passed away 2006, somewhere in there, I'm not sure. It was the early 2000s. Today, the much celebrated illustrator is working on her 78th book and lives in a setting of her own creation that reflects an unabashed admiration for the taste and lifestyle of an earlier time, hidden away in the softly rounded hills of southeastern Vermont. So she did succeed. So she knew from an early age that that's the lifestyle that she chose. She dressed in clothing that was traditional of the 19th century. You can see her dress there. Aren't those doves beautiful? And so she would have dress up with her children and her grandchildren when they came to visit. So I thought I would start by taking you to an 1840s Western Pennsylvania farm, and my daughter and I, are going to make an evergreen wreath at a workshop. And we're also going to tour the Walker family farmhouse, 1824. So come along with us, and I thought this would be a really nice beginning to the Tasha Tudor inspired country Christmas crafts here at Meadowsweet Farm. So come along, let's go.
Christmas memories, oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, making our Christmas memories. Yes, these are the good times with you. Don't even care what we do if I spend it with you. Just you and nobody else. It's so good to see you again. To see you again. Baby, this year.
How big do they get?
Well, she's like medium. She's a good
They
weight.
can go up to 30.
Hi, Katie May. Hi, Katie. Oh, you're so sweet. Hello. Oh, hello.
Hold you close, forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.
In the quiet evening, snow is falling, and from every window shines a light. Somewhere in the distance, drums are calling, but no one heeds their call tonight. Christmas, oh Christmas, how we long for you. Christmas, oh Christmas, let your message once again ring true. As I walk through the streets of my old hometown, I hear sleigh bells ringing in the air. There are Christmas decorations all around. Tonight love and peace are everywhere. Christmas, oh Christmas, how we love.
We had such an incredible day at the 1824 Walker family farmhouse. It was just amazing. Audrey and Dave hosted a wreath decorating workshop. There was lots of hors d'oeuvres, and this is the gorgeous sun setting on their beautiful, beautiful farm. And as we kept driving closer to Pittsburgh, the sky kept getting just this vibrant orange color. It was just amazing. So it was almost like the heavens opened up for us that day. It was beautiful. We had an amazing time and made some beautiful wreaths and some wonderful friends. Thank you so much, Audrey and Dave. Bye for now.
Let it snow, let it snow. Christmas, oh Christmas, how we've longed for you. Christmas, oh Christmas, the child